First of all, open your Google Pay. Then scroll down and go to Business and Bill. Now look for West Bengal Emergency Relief Fund. If you don't find it, then click on this. Go to Explore and search for West Bengal Emergency Relief Fund. Now click on West Bengal State Emergency Relief Fund. Click on Donate Now. Choose your amount and click on Terms and Conditions. Lastly, put your UPI PIN. And now your donation is successful.
Hello, myself Dipti Biswakarma. I am National Youth Volunteer of NYK Nehru Yuva Kendra. So being a responsible citizen of India and NYB, today I am going to talk about the contribution that we can make to support our country, India, in this vulnerable period.
And we have called every day for countries to take urgent and aggressive action.
On 11th March, WHO declared novel coronavirus disease COVID-19 outbreak as a pandemic and reiterated the call for countries to take immediate actions to save people's lives. On 24th March 2020, our Honorable Prime Minister declared complete lockdown to avoid the pandemic.
पूरे देश में आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है.
And the consequences of lockdown has been downhill economically for government and as well as public. From small to big, all the companies and business has been shut down.
रोइए मत, बिल्कुल मत रोइए, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, ऊपर वाला आपके साथ है.
We can see, for example, a small business like a Baba Ka Dhaba has got affected due to the lockdown, which is going viral on internet these days. So lack of business and profit, it affected India's GNP. As we all know, India is an developing country and its current GDP is 2.5 trillion. Indian government has worked on making India which way to attract foreign investments. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana provided loans to start up small businesses. Changes in FDI policy which help in attracting foreign investment. Indian government has targeted to make it 5 trillion in 2021. But this pandemic has affected not only the motive of Indian government but also the calculation of GDP. Although Indian government has provided possibly basic needs towards the public. From ration to amount rupees 500 on each bank account of Jan Dhan Yojana. Now, coming to the talk of the contribution from Tata Ambani to 5-year-old kid from Meghalaya, Shillong, who has contributed from his piggy bank amount rupees 1501. Being a 5-year-old kid, if he can think high and contribute towards the country, what if I say you and I also can lend a hand towards the contribution by donating just ₹2. You all must be thinking, how can ₹2 be a help? Here I would like to tell you a simple thing. West Bengal population is estimated to be 9.9 crores. If each of you donate just ₹2, then its calculated sum will be
19.8 crore.
Exactly, India's population is 135 crore and its sum will be 270 by 2. If we take care of our each of state by donating ₹2 in our CM Relief Fund, then the pressure to the government will be little less. We are not asking you all to raise India's GDP, but we are saying your ₹2 will be a great help to the people who are having a tough time right now. Your ₹2 can bring food on someone's plate in this pandemic. Your ₹2 can be a safeguard of PPE kit for the nurses and the doctors who are in this war fearlessly. The least you can do is you can share this video and spread the message. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy, stay home.